Dear USA, all nations and 7.9 plus billions of humans, I just want to have this as a generic civil justice sign off. Whatever I want for the civil justice, for I am displaying the USA government errors, public sector errors, private sector errors, and how USA government operations got destroyed, and for displaying the absolute monarchs scandal. I, Vedapriya Prose, wanted these civil justice to be provided to me. Okay, so I'll just read the sign off so that it will be in all these other sessions. Okay, so for I, Vedapriya Prose, native Indian tribe, Christian Jew of Israel, Judah, Jerusalem, and true owner of USA, and proved USA is Tamil Nadu, and I, Vedapriya Prose, have highest impasse eligibility to lead USA. I must be the interim leader of USA now is civil justice served. And for I, Vedapriya Prose, displayed USA government errors and the scandal of absolute monarchs to USA government. I, Vedapriya Prose, for civil justice as in Holy Bible guidelines. I, Vedapriya Prose, want United States of America nation to rename Lord Ripon Building in Tamil Nadu, India, after my name Vedapriya is civil justice served. And I, Vedapriya Prose, to become the Vatican leader now is civil justice served. And Pope Francis resigns abruptly now is civil justice served. And I, Vedapriya Prose, become Supreme Chief Civil Judge for all nations, now is civil justice served. And I, Vedapriya Prose, become Supreme Chief Family Law and Supreme Chief Children Judge for all nations is civil justice served. And I, Vedapriya Prose, to become Global Poverty Relief Medical Director Chief for all nations, to lead and guide World Bank, United Nations organizations, World Health Organizations, Center for Disease Control, Department of Children Families, Department of Health Services, Department of Justice, Department of Revenue, Department of Agriculture, Department of Imports Export, Department of Military in all nations across the globe is civil justice served. And I, Vedapriya Prose, to be the ambassador for all nations, starting with India, and I, Vedapriya Prose, should get dual citizenship of USA and India now is civil justice served. And thank you all for your time. Take care, my dear fellow mankind. I sure will get civil justice for entire human kingdom in 1 minute. Thank you all for your time. Bye for now. USA, all nations, and 7.9 plus billions of humans. I hope we are all on the same page on this regard that I'm providing a very crucial, very important civil justice sign off for myself, and it's a multitasking. With that said, I will quickly read through this civil justice sign off, and I provided enough overview of this particular session is all about in earlier sessions. So if at all you all need any, you can refer to the earlier sessions for the wisdom education. For I, Vedapriya Prose, proved scandal of absolute monarchs and proved Pope Francis' Roman Empire King Herod as of February 2021. Any salary as in tax-free billions of dollars USA government can provide effective immediate using direct deposit to my bank account to I am that I am, Vedapriya Prose, native Indian tribe, Israelite tribe, Christian Jew of Israel, Judah, Jerusalem, true owner of all nations worldwide can help me. So scandal phases of Republica Europe nations worldwide is Republica Atfall found guilty, prostitutes of Atfall found guilty of fatal negligence USA Republican government, and Atfall found guilty of fatal negligence USA Democrat government, USA FCC USDA FDA retails basic essentials type genetic modified chocolate and candies agency nations created robocall poverty mandate is proved and enforced poverty disabled to I, Vedapriya Prose on October 2018 for Republica government of USA prostitute to steal the rightful Supreme Court job of USA job on October 2018 that rightfully belong to I, Vedapriya Prose. So civil law must be provided now without any delay. So for the domestic violence of retailers, the Walmart, the Amazon, etc., it comes under the breach of duty, intentional infliction of emotional distress and causation and injury, battery and types, assault and types, false imprisonment and types, trespass to land and types, and trespass to chattels and types. So, I, Vedapriya Prose, true civil lawyer, true civil doctor, true civil supreme judge, own the text on ongoing civil justice sign off, at fault found guilty of fatal negligence, USA Republican government and USA Democrat government, as in USA FCC, USDA, FDA, retails, basic essentials error, genetic modified chocolate and candies, and organic chocolate and candies agencies, nations, created robocall poverty mandate, and with fatal negligence, failed to educate USA cannot create robocall poverty mandate, and by default, created Republica USA, robocall poverty mandate to I Vedapriya Prose, true civil lawyer, true civil doctor, true civil supreme judge, and Republican government GOP leader Mitch McConnell, President Trump, Supreme Court Judge Brett Kavanaugh on October 8, 2018 enforced poverty mandate to I Vedapriya Prose abruptly on October 2018, and Republican government of United States of America took away 4,000 $500 on October 2018 abruptly, and enforced finance debt of $10,000 plus dollars since October 2018, October 2019, October 2020, and as of today, February 2021, to I Vedapriya Prose, enforced finance disabled to I Vedapriya Prose abruptly. It is crime for at fault found guilty of fatal negligence, USA Republican government and USA Democrat government, USA retails, basic essentials, USA FCC, USDA, FDA, and errored genetic modified chocolate and candies and organic chocolate and candies agencies, nations created robocall poverty mandate is proved. And when ruling USA never educated, USA should never provide enforced poverty to I Vedapriya Prose. So civil justices, I Vedapriya Prose want Citibank CEO to pay off my debt $10,000 plus dollars and sign off tax free $5,000, and at fault found guilty of fatal negligence, USA Republican government and USA Democrat government, USA FCC, USDA, FDA retails, basic essentials, error genetic modified chocolate and candies and organic chocolate and candies, created robocall poverty mandate with fatal negligence. So must sign off tax free $500,000 trillion to be direct deposited in my bank account for all types of damages done by selfish cunning, Islam, Judaism, absolute monarchs types, wild endangered species and hell creators, and at fault and found guilty Holy Highness God of USA, Queen Elizabeth II, and Pope Francis, and Republican government of USA will provide needful help accordingly to be on the same page. And one more civil justice sign off I also want to provide, that is 63 or 67, I think 67% of shares of cocoa, chocolate cocoa, is owned by Queen Elizabeth II, because Queen Elizabeth II is identified as the true hell creator, the Satan, the Antichrist, the Lucifer. I want United States of government to provide all the 67 shares of chocolate cocoa to me, I Vedapriya Prose, immediately in next 1 second, and that is civil justice served to me. And then the Kraft Foods of United States of America, that is owning 33% of chocolate shares worldwide, must also be given to me. So that is the civil justice served. And for all the crime that is provided by the retails, USA must provide that shares, 100% shares of chocolate should be transferred to my name, Vedapriya Prose. Immediately next 1 second is civil justice served according to the Holy Bible guidelines of civil law. So thank you all for your time. Take care. Bye for now.